You saw that with COVID.
Yeah.
What do? They scared us with COVID. Everybody's going to die of the zombie virus. COVID was real. I mean, that was a real thing. People were getting sick.
Right.
And that was made by somebody. And then those vaccines were made by somebody.
Key question.
And then all of a sudden they signed these, okay, well, we're making bipartisan agreements to pay people this much money out of all of this much money. And where did all of that much money go?
Oh.
It went to places that no one even knows, and no one policed that after it went somewhere. So, like, to me, I just see, like...
No audits.
It's the equivalent of, like, if you watch The Incredibles, the first Incredibles movie, and Syndrome, right? He creates this robot. He creates these iterations of robots till he gets the best robot. Once he gets the best robot, then he makes it go take over the city, and then he has the remote where he can, like, save the city by killing the robot by himself. That's what everyone in charge of us, these world rulers, are doing.
Yeah.
They're creating a problem, making everyone scared, and then they're going to utilize that as a way to either get more money spent or to gain